Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Survey Junkie. And maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money? Can you just fill out surveys and actually generate income? How much can you make? Or is this a big waste of time? Right, let's check it out. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out Survey Junkie to find out whether this is a good use of your time, or maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, right? Now, Survey Junkie is a very, very long-standing survey website. It's been around since 2011. They pay out a lot of money to their subscribers every single day, which is really cool. The only thing is only available in 3 countries right now: the USA, the Canada, and Australia. If you're not located in any of these countries, don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you my favorite way to generate full-time income 100% from home, okay? Now, Survey Junkie is actually a very, very cool survey website. If you come here, you can take surveys, you can earn rewards, you can get paid, and I'll share with you exactly how this works. So I'm actually just going to log in really quickly to my Survey Junkie account, okay? And you're going to see right here that these are basically, this is the back office. Now, what I would recommend is you definitely want to fill out the pre-qualification questions as accurately as possible and as often as possible, because the more information that they have on you, the more surveys they will link you up with, okay? So the whole name of the game when it comes to filling out surveys, especially with good survey websites, is you want to be able to be served as many surveys as possible, because the problem is that if you don't have access to surveys, then you can't make money, okay? And the big problem is a lot of survey websites, you tend to run out of surveys. So every chance you get, you want to give them as much info as possible. And you have to be okay with that, because, you are giving them a lot of information because they are a market research company, right? But the more that you do, the more surveys you get access to, okay? So if I was to answer this one right here, I just click on Let's Begin, all right? There are just 5 quick questions. And if I answer the 5 quick questions right here, I will get some additional points and they will serve me more surveys, okay? Now, once you've done that, you will get access to your interface right here, and you can see it's very, very simple. What I would do is I would add a couple of extensions as well, okay? Add your desktop app, add the Chrome application, confirm your email, things like that. It just allows you to gain extra points, all right? And the nice thing about Survey Junkie is that they pay out quite high compared to a lot of other survey websites, okay? On average, with other survey websites, you're making, just a couple of cents, maybe 20 cents, 50 cents per survey. But with these guys, they kind of start pretty high, all right? So you can see right here, 25 points is equal to 25 cents. 30 points is equal to 30 cents. 195 points right here is equal to $1.95, okay? So it's pretty high, right? Now, depending on the survey that you take, it's a different amount of time, okay? 1 minute here, 6 minutes here, 22 minutes here, right? But it's weird because you can see here, this is 15 cents, right? 15 points. And it's a longer survey, much longer than the 25-cent survey, okay? So it's not always an indication of how long it's going to take, right? Because this one pays 30 cents, it's only 1 minute. But this one only pays 15 cents and it's 22 minutes, okay? Now, the thing that you have to understand is that you have to take a pre-qualification questionnaire for every single survey that you take. Okay, now you're not going to qualify for every single survey, all right? So generally speaking, it's, 1 out of 3 or 2 out of 3 that you will qualify for. So unfortunately, the time does get taken away, because you have to, if I was to take this survey right now, I've got to fill in a pre-qualification questionnaire because they want to make sure that I'm right for that survey. So for example, if I, don't like electronics, but it's a survey about, electronics usage, then I'm not going to be relevant for that survey, right? Especially if I don't own any electronics, if that makes sense, right? So you won't qualify for every single survey, so you're going to have, waste a bit of time there. But generally speaking, you will qualify for the most part, most of the surveys, okay? Now, as soon as you fill in the surveys, what happens is this kind of point meter will increase, all right? And you can switch this into USD, and it'll say, you've got, you've made 75 cents right now. I've made 75 cents, okay? And I've got 425 points to go, all right? So that's about $4.25. So every time you hit $5, you can withdraw, because that's the threshold. Now, the nice thing about Survey Junkie is that they've got some really good rewards, okay? So you can withdraw through the Visa gift card, which means you can pretty much buy anything you want, right? They've got, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Apple gift cards. They've got PayPal, and they've got bank transfers. So it's really, really quite, you can basically withdraw in a lot of different ways, and that's better than a lot of other survey websites. Most survey websites just allow PayPal and some gift cards. Some don't even allow PayPal. Some just allow gift cards, right? So these guys, they even allow bank transfer, which is very rare for a survey website. Okay, so I like Survey Junkie. I think it's a really decent website. And it's very, very easy. The interface is really great. And so I think if you have a couple of hours a day, you can definitely come out here and hang out and make, a few dollars. Okay, now the big question is how much can you make filling out surveys, especially with Survey Junkie? Okay, now let me talk about the industry in general, because I've been, reviewing products and services and, different strategies for a long time. Most survey websites, okay, on average, you will make around $1, maybe $2 per day. Okay, with Survey Junkie, you can earn a little bit more because you'll generally qualify for more surveys. It doesn't take as long, and they pay out a pretty decent amount, to be honest, right? So you can see here, on average, you're looking at 10 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 70 cents per survey. But occasionally, they've got some pretty high paying ones. This is 95 cents. This is $1.95, right? So occasionally you'll get the high paying surveys, right? $1.95 there, right? So it's really about your luck and how many surveys you qualify for, right? And as long as you're not sitting here for like 10 hours a day, because really you can't really do that. You're going to run out of surveys. But if you log in here and you fill out surveys for 1 or 2 hours a day, you can make an okay amount of money. Roughly you can do maybe $3 to $5 a day, right? If you actually spend a decent amount of time here. So that's roughly about $100 to $150 a month. Okay, now if you think about it, $100 to $150 a month is not really going to break the bank, right? I mean, you can't quit your full-time job. It's not going to replace your full-time income. You can't retire. You can't travel the world. But for an hour or two a day to make $3 to $5 a day, you're not really doing anything. This is not a high skill thing. It's 100% free. And they pay out in multiple ways. So it's definitely a cool way to make some additional money on the side, okay? And it's definitely one of the better survey websites out there. There are a lot of kind of clunky survey websites. A lot of them run out of surveys. A lot of them don't pay that much. A lot of them, it's hard to qualify for. And a lot of them don't offer the kind of rewards that you can get with Survey Junkie. I mean, a lot of them don't offer the Visa gift card. A lot of them don't offer bank transfer. So I would say Survey Junkie definitely a winner in terms of a survey website. Okay, so if you want to check it out, surveyjunkie.com. But again, remember you have to be based in the US, Canada, or Australia at the time of recording this video. Okay, now definitely a cool way to start earning a little bit of money. Again, you're not going to make full-time income, unfortunately, but on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time, right? So I think, filling out surveys is okay, but if you want to learn to earn bigger income, there are some better strategies out there, right? So maybe implement this strategy and maybe implement the one that I'm recommending. The one that I'm recommending is something that I've used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I actually 5 times my old salary. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass you can check out step by step. Just click the link right at the bottom and I will give you access to that masterclass for free and you can check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Survey Junkie. All the best to you. Go fill out some surveys and I'll see you soon, and I'll check you out in the next video review. Take care.